What's up, you guys? This is Shay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you guys or showing you guys my facial routine, what I do, the way I cleanse my face, how I got rid of my acne in less than 2 months, as well the products that I use, what I do. You guys excuse my hair because it's nighttime and I'm at home. I just literally shampooed and blow dried my weave, so that's why it's looking like a mess. So anyway, I will let you guys know the products that I use. I will do the nightly routine, what I do, and then just explain to you guys what I do in the morning. So let me give you a little bit of background. At first I had really bad acne. When I say all of it, it just came all of a sudden. So even makeup would not cover up my acne. It was so bad. I will insert pictures to show you guys how bad my acne was. It was so bad that I went to a dermatologist. He gave me antibiotics. The antibiotics wasn't helping. I tried Proactive. I tried Retin-A. Anything you can name, I tried it. Everything. Dr. Murad or something like that. I tried every single thing. Nothing helped until my friend, she has such beautiful skin. I'm like, oh my God, like what's going on? Because it was starting to be so bad. So she introduced me to this black African soap. It's not soap that you buy inside the store where it's already a bar. That is not the real soap. This one you literally have to make your own soap. I'm gonna show you. You dig it out the bucket and you make your own soap. You can like literally get this soap from any natural African store. I do not have a link to where I got mine from, but any African store, you can get natural African soap. So I tried it. I used that, and I also use a product that I got from Target. You can get it from Target, Walmart, Walgreens, anything like that. It's called Shea Moisture. I will show you guys exactly what I do once I wash my face. I still do get a bump here and there when it's my period or something like that, but I rarely get big bumps at all. Like rarely. See how my makeup, I've been having it on all day and it's still covering up my spots. I do have a couple of dark spots, but it's not nearly as bad as how my acne was before. So you guys stay tuned. I will show you my routine. So these are the products that I use. This is the black African soap that I was telling you about. You see how you have to actually dig it out. I'm using one hand, so that's why it's hard for me to do it. You actually have to dig it out, roll it in a ball, create your own soap. This soap, once you do that, it lasts for a really long time, each soap. This bucket literally lasts me for months. After I do that, I use this soap in the morning and at night. So at night, in the morning time, I wash my face with this. I pat dry it. I spray it with this toner by Shea Moisture. Let that dry. After I do that, I apply this. And then after I do that, that's when I apply my makeup. I never put makeup on dry skin. I always use moisture. And then at nighttime, I come home, I wash my face with this again, and then I apply this right here, and then I use this for my lips. That's all I do, and this really helped. I'm telling you, it really turned my skin around. You just have to give it time to work, okay? Nothing works overnight, but I'm telling you, I use this faithfully, and I do not get bumps in my face. I only get bumps around my menstrual time. Okay, excuse me, I have to put my headband on my head. So what I do is I'm gonna dig out this soap. Usually I use the same soap for a little while. I'm gonna take it, see, and make like a little ball. I'm gonna wet my face. Wet this first, set it up really good. Then wash my face. You see a little bit of brown because it's old makeup, and then also the bar soap is brown too. Sometimes it depends on how sometimes it depends. I may have the soap sit on my face for a while. It depends. So if I feel like my face is kind of oily, I might let the soap sit on my face for a little while. Okay, so I'm about to rinse my face. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Pat my face dry. Okay. excuse the way I look beat up. I don't care. Okay, after I pat my face dry, you see, I have a couple of mean little spots. These little spots. That's it. Then I take this right here. It has a little dropper. Let me move my hair back a little bit. I take this and I just drop it on my skin. Just like that. You don't need that much. I used to think that I had real oily skin because my skin always was so oily, right? It was like literally oily. Anytime, like throughout the day, I can just wipe oil off my skin. And then I found out that the reason why my face kept on being so oily like that and I was getting bumps is because it needed oil. I was drying it out. I used to like not put any moisture on my face, but now that I put moisture on my face, it makes my face like soft, no wrinkles. You know, it just makes it feel a whole lot better. This is what I do every day, every single day. And I always rub up because I don't want my eyes, so I always rub up like this. I rub, when it go around my eyes, I'm real, like I don't play around about my eye area. I do not want like wrinkles and like I'm so serious about my eye area. And then I just take this, put that on my lips. Okay, you guys, so that's my daily facial routine. See, this is the way that my face looks up close. See, it's not that bad. It's no bumps, it's just a couple of dark spots, and they're starting to fade a little bit too. So, look under my eyes, it's not super bad. So, I do this every single day, and this is the way I look. I just want to show you guys my routine from the way my skin started off to now, and I follow this every single day, like every day. I'm telling you, you can find this African soap. Just try your local African store. It's some in every state, every city, you'll find it. It's the natural African soap. When you find these soaps, like even from Shea Moisture, that is not the natural soap. I'm telling you, this is the real kind. You need to be able to dig and form your own soap bar. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just give me a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer any questions. Again, excuse me, but this was just a video just to let you guys know my daily routine, facial routine. Peace out. Hope you guys subscribe.